Can I get a work permit while I'm waiting for the consular process? Let's talk about it. I'm Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration attorney. I've been doing this work for 15 years, and then I started this company, Greenlight Your Green Card, to help people who aren't yet ready to hire a lawyer or, quite frankly, don't want to navigate their own case on their own. For more information about our resources and what we do, visit greenlightgreencard.com. So, a common question that I get is, can I apply for a work permit while I am waiting to go through the consular process? I get this question a lot from people who are in the United States who, for one reason or another, cannot go through the adjustment of status process, and they're going to have to go through consular processing, which means they're going to have to leave the United States to go back to their home country so that they can get a green card outside of the US. And so that process entails just filing the I-130, the petition for alien relative, with USCIS. And then you're going to wait for that application to be approved. Then it's going to go off to the National Visa Center and continue on with that process. While you're waiting for the I-130 to be approved, that by itself, unfortunately, is not enough to get you a work permit. Because think about it, if you're going through consular processing, technically you're not supposed to be in the United States already. You're supposed to be in your home country. If you were in your home country, you wouldn't have the need to be working in the United States because you wouldn't be here. And so the same logic kind of applies. If you're going to have to go through consular processing to get your green card, you're not going to be able to get your work permit. Now, if you qualify for another immigration status or you have another type of application that's pending, that application might enable you to get a work permit while you're waiting to go through the consular process. An example of this would be asylum. If you are applying for asylum, once your application has been pending for 150 days, you're able to file Form I-765 to apply for a work permit. And while that asylum application is pending, you're able to get a work permit and it's valid for several years, although there may be changes in immigration upcoming that impact that. But generally, you're able to get a work permit and work under that. Or let's say you had another type of application pending. Let's say that you have temporary protected status, or you have that application, that renewal application pending, and you've applied for a work permit. That would be a situation where you're allowed to get a work permit. But simply having a Form I-130 pending because you're going to go through the consular process, that by itself is unfortunately not enough to get you a work permit. I hope you found this video helpful. Definitely subscribe, share, like, all the good things, as we're going to be sharing more educational information and tips for you to navigate your green card process. For more information about Greenlight Your Green Card, visit greenlightgreencard.com. Thanks for watching.